You ready to go to Ikea? Come on. Yeah, we came to Ikea, so we just gotta cross over to get in the store. So we just came inside and they have this little booth set up here in the entrance of Ikea. Super cute. We're just waiting for my dad. He went to the restroom and then we're gonna go upstairs. Okay. Say hi, baby. Say good morning. He's just looking at the people going in the restroom. Baby. You need a haircut again, Dominic. Your hair grows way too fast. Huh, baby? Your hair grows way too fast? Yeah, huh, my love? Why are you so cute? They have so many things here at Ikea and for such good prices. This is all like bathroom things and all of that. These are actually pretty nice. So let's look around and see what we find. They have their lamps here. This one's pretty neat actually. I really like this one. It's different. Here's all the lamps they have. Baby! Baby! Why are you so cute? You're so shy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These are actually pretty nice. I really like all of these lamps. Like those. And these are pretty nice. If you guys are looking for some lamps, we have the mirrors here. These are actually really nice mirrors that they have. I really like that black one. That's really pretty. There I am. Hi, Bebes. Say hi. Say hi. Whoops. Whoops. A little speed bump, huh? A little speed bump. So we came to Target over here in Emeryville. It's really nice actually. They have a lot of palm trees. I really like it. Oh baby. We came to our favorite store. To Target. Yeah. Let's go inside, okay? What's that, baby? Who's that? Pikachu? Where's Pikachu? Dominic. Where's Pikachu? Give Pikachu a besito. Un besito, Pikachu, baby. No, a Pikachu over there. Over there. Blow a kiss. Besitos. You like him? Huh? So they have this section here with a lot of cute little things. There's these little flamingos. These are string lights. And then these probably light up. These are cute. Oh, it says try me. Let's try it. I don't think it works. Nope. Let's try the flamingo back here. Oh, this one works. That's cute. Oh, that's super cute. And then they have these pineapples. It's a dog toy. They have a lot of cute things here at Target. So we just got out of Yo creo, va a ser del baño. So we just got out of Target, and I also went to Starbucks, and I finally got dragon fruit drink that everybody is talking about, and it's honestly really good. I really like it. It's really good, so if you haven't tried it, try it. But I think they have they can make it two ways. They can either add coconut milk or water, or just make it with water, and I got it with the coconut milk, so it's really good. Now I came here to Hobby Lobby, guys. I actually want to just look around, so let's go. So we've been home for a little while, and I was actually just upstairs, but I'm gonna get something for my son to eat because I thought he was actually gonna go to sleep right when we got home, because he did sleep on our way back from Emeryville, but he woke up. So I actually, when we got home, I gave him a bottle and stuff, and I was like, okay, well, he's gonna go to sleep since he's tired. Nope, he did not go to sleep, so I'm just gonna get him something to eat right now because it's already like 4 o'clock. So I was gonna just give him something to eat when he woke up, but I think he's probably hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and get him something to eat. But let me just show you guys real quick what I did end up getting. I honestly didn't even buy really much from Ikea. We just kind of wanted to go walk around and stuff. But then after I went to Target, I did actually buy some headbands because I need some. I always lose these. Like, I never have any, guys, and I don't even know what happens to them. So I go through so many of them, so I had to get some of these. And I went to, and then from Target, I also got my baby just like a regular white tee because I just like putting these on him and stuff like that. So I bought him a white one, and then I got him also a black one, and it's a short sleeve, so that's good. But yeah, that's what I got from Target. And then I did stop by Hobby Lobby to get some chargers because I actually do want to set up my dining table differently, and I want to just change kind of like, you know, I want want to change the chargers and the plates and stuff like that, but we'll see how it comes out when I have time to film you guys the decorate with me. That's when I want to show you guys how I decorated and everything. But I also got one of these candle lighter things from Hobby Lobby because I always lose these and stuff like that. So yeah, I got that. And then these are actually the chargers that I ended up getting from Hobby Lobby, and it's really pretty, and I think they're gonna look really, really nice on my dining table. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys real quick what I ended up getting. And yeah, I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. It's already Wednesday, we're halfway through the week. So once Friday comes, I'm just so excited. Actually, Friday, my son has a doctor's appointment. So I'm not too excited about that because he hates the doctors, like literally like freaks out. But hopefully he does okay when we do take him on Friday. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.